Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE RedMagic 6R, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account from this device. So basically how to manage it. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to this section with the other accounts and the Google. We will add the account using the other accounts, but of course, as you can see here, we've got a whole Google section, and you can add or remove a Google account using it. But to be honest, I personally prefer to do it using other accounts. I don't know why, but I will do it. So let's tap on it, and here let's tap on Add Account. Choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. What's more, a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol. And after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it. And here we've got all the info you need. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it will be actually immediately removed, but be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So basically that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your ZTE RedMagic 6R. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.